Well, I woke up on May 17th. I realized that I couldn't hear out of my left ear, and I had a ringing and a whoosh noise, but there was nothing else. I got into an ENT right away, and my hearing tests were so bad that he said I couldn't wear a hearing aid, that it wouldn't help any. So if I didn't get my hearing back through the steroids and the hyperbaric chamber, that I would have to have a cochlear implant, which I definitely didn't want to go through all that.
This patient presented to us with ringing in the ears, hearing loss in the left ear, and the ENT specialist asked for hyperbaric oxygen therapy as an adjunct therapy to the treatment she was already receiving.
The hyperbaric chamber is what got my hearing back, and it went from a 63%, but at 63% I could hear nothing.
This patient received a total of 10 treatments, and by treatment 6 she started already having improved hearing in the left ear, and by the end of the treatment her hearing was almost completely back to normal.
And when I had my second hearing test after going through the hyperbaric chamber, I now have 96% hearing. I also happen to notice other things with the hyperbaric chamber. I have a lot of inflammation in my body. I have issues with my back quit hurting. I've just had other changes and improvements in my body with the hyperbaric use of the hyperbaric chamber. Beside my hearing, it's just been awesome. But getting my hearing back has just been marvelous. I would definitely recommend the St. Luke's hyperbaric chamber. The team is awesome. They're just super friendly, super nice. They would help me with anything that I would need. They're just such great, caring people here at St. Luke's. I can't really even imagine how it would be if I hadn't gone through this, because I would have had to get a cochlear implant. I am just so grateful to have my hearing back, and I am just so grateful to St. Luke's for the hyperbaric chamber. And it gave me almost 100% back, which is, to me, it's a miracle.